Hi everyone! If you are an FWD insurance policy holder, just like me, you would know about their app called FWD Tapp. But a few months ago, last July 2023, they've already shut down the app and migrated to a new one called Omne by FWD. This app is a two-in-one application that helps you manage your insurance policy and helps you achieve lifestyle goals through micro tasks. Whenever you finish a task, you get to earn reward points. And these points can be converted to rewards such as getting vouchers from different merchants or services. So it's my first time to use this app. Actually, I wanted to check out my policy in FWD, tapos binuksan ko yung FWD app, and then it led me to this new one. Kaya sabayan niyo ako sa pag-register and let's explore the app. So, pagka-login natin sa FWD Tapp, ito yung lumabas. As you can see, wala na siya. And we need to download Omne by FWD. Click lang natin to. So, once installed, open natin. So, even if meron ka ng FWD Tapp before, kailangan mo pa rin mag-register dito sa Omne App. Let's click Create an Account. Input mobile number, name, agree to the terms of service. And dahil FWD policy holder tayo, tick natin tong box. Enter the country, customer ID. Kung nakalimutan mo na yung customer ID mo, you can get it here. Ayan, so just input your policy number, birthday, and then click submit. Customer ID will be sent to our mobile phone. Click yes. Click proceed. Input natin yung customer ID dito. Again, birthday. And if merong referral code, click all set. Input the OTP sent to your mobile. Click verify. And ayan, our account is ready. We've now been registered to Omne. This is the first thing we can see once we log in. So you can manage your policy here. Make a payment, view transactions, update policies, view policies and investments. So, ayan. This is my policy. I can see all my details here. Payment history. So, ito yung overview ng policy ko and what's included. I can also see my acknowledgement receipts and other documents. Pwede ko din i-view and i-update yung beneficiaries ko. Ayan. And this is the investment portion since VUL yung kinuha ko dito kay FWD. You have the option to switch funds as well. And yan yung account value ko. So you can also make your payments. These are the things you could do to update your policy, personal details, beneficiary details. This is the same thing na pinakita ko earlier. And then payment frequency. Ito naman, dito nyo mapapalitan yung
frequency of payment nyo, kung semi-annual, annual, quarterly, or monthly. Ad hoc top up, kapag magta-top up tayo for our investment, take note lang na may top up fee na 5%. Okay, so yung top up natin mapupunta dun sa investment funds natin. We can either top up on an existing fund or a new fund, and then indicate natin yung percentage of allocation. Fund allocation naman, currently kasi naka 100% ako sa Peso Growth Fund, but I could switch it to like 50% tapos 50% on another fund. Pwede nyo yung gawin yun dito. Switch fund. Yan, if I want to change to another fund. Partial withdrawal. So if we want to partially withdraw from our account, dito natin pwede gawin. You could also choose by percentage. Nominate account. So if pipili tayo ng bank account or payout method kung saan nila i-deposit yung mga withdrawals natin, this is where we place it. Input lang natin yung bank details. Reinstate policy. So if you have a lapsed policy, dito nyo pwedeng i-reinstate. For me, I don't have any, kaya no eligible policy nakalagay. Cancel or surrender policy. Either free look cancellation or surrender policy. If you surrender, ito yung makukuha nating amount as of the date today. Then you could, of course, input your reason and everything. Okay? Okay, Leaderboard. May mga games dito that would help us earn rewards din and points. So, since kaka-register lang natin, kaka-start lang natin dito, we don't have any points. Babalikan natin to after a few weeks. I'm gonna try this out and balitaan ko kayo. You could also adopt a tree. Ayan. So, itong social part, para siyang social media platform where we get to follow other people, interact with them. Yeah, there are also some exercises here. Maganda to because it helps motivate you to achieve micro goals to improve your lifestyle. Kunyari, itong energize. May mga workouts dito na pwede natin gawin and we could earn points out of it. So, nakakatulong siya sa atin. And at the same time, nare-reward din tayo with their point system. Up here in the 3 dots, you could check Omne Intro and Profile. So under Profile, this is what you can see. Try natin mag-input ng data natin. So we could track our health, height, and weight. Ayan. So may mga verification process dito. Here under challenge zone, we could pick a challenge, get rewards, and then complete activities. Try natin yan.
Thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. So after a few weeks, try natin mag-ipon ng points, and then once malaki-laki na yung points natin, let's try and claim our rewards. I'm gonna make another video about that, so don't forget to Hit the subscribe button and the notification bell in order to be updated when that video comes out. If you want to download the app, you can check the referral on the description below. Thank you guys. Bye!